meet here. Yes.
Okay. It's definitely not Kyle, though. Or whatever his name is. Carl. I think it's Kyle.
Calvin.
Hey, Kyle, you need to do something with your life.
You get that, right? Just got a warning.
Eh?
A natural weather service warning about
Son of a
flash flood.
bitch!
Natural weather
The face
service,
on
a
this
flash
one.
flood warning isn't in effect for this area until 12 a.m. PST.
Wait, it got smaller. It's getting smaller. What in the world?
Yeah.
What else?
So put
It was like twice that size when I killed it.
Yeah, it's
How
burning
in-
down. It burns down and gets smaller as it burns.
No, but it was already really small. Holy cow.
Yeah, mark that.
That's inaccurate.
Yeah, it is. Oh, man, look at that.
Good.
Ugh.
I've never actually watched it the entire way through. That is awesome.